Okay, when you dance, you have to ask yourself what kind of feeling you want to have for your legs. So legs, they definitely should not feel relaxed, but they should not feel very stiff. So what's the right feeling? The right feeling, if you feel like your legs are stretching or being pulled apart. What does it mean? Like you stretch this piece of cloth. If I stretch, I pull one point away from another. So here, about our legs. So stay like this, sixth position as always. Now collect your tummy, chest up, beautiful picked up position. You see right now, you see that very small triangle here because legs are picked up. But from this moment, you have to imagine like this thigh and behind the knee, like this knee. We're gonna stretch them as much as possible, opposite directions, and keeping our shoulders in the same line. So stretch, 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 stretch. Stretch, 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 stretch. So imagine like there is a straight line here, like a red line. And from that line, this going like minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 10, and this going plus 1, plus 2, plus 10. So equal amount. But even I recommend for the standing leg, stretch even more. So the standing leg should feel even more stretch. Now, same time as you stretch, keep your tummy in. And if your tummy is in and you stretch really a lot, your hip will be very easy to rotate. If your tummy is released, you're gonna bend into halves. That's not recommended. So here, stretch, 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 stretch as much as you can. And you see, tummy is in, the legs are really pulling apart, hip is back, chest is forward, which is great. Here, counterbalance, keep this arm here, never here. And now from here, keep stretching even more so this leg becomes straight. Now at this moment, also keep feeling like this leg keep pulling back and this leg stretching forward. But right now you don't have a knee bended, so you feel like from the tummy down, this leg being pulled. So very stretched leg. Now from here, it's a little bit, you could slide, and then chest is over the leg. And here, keep feel like this leg still pulling behind. So two very beautiful straight legs. And of course you have to finish it at the end. Now from here, release your hip, leg still straight, still feel stretched. When you release hip, don't release the leg. Just releasing hip muscular, but leg should feel stretched. And now from here, use your tummy to collect, again to very picked up position. And from here again, we stretch our legs. So this thigh, like somebody pull here back, this is pull forward as much as we can. And now result of that stretch become the leg becomes straight, and also you keep stretching your legs apart. Leg slide, then your leg gradually land. Now keep pulling this leg back. Now release hip, but keep stretching that back leg. Don't release the leg. And here, collect. Stretch, walk. So feel like your legs being always stretched, pulled apart. For the backward, exactly the same feeling. So here, so you collect it, hip is finished, very good. But as you collect your body, you have to feel like this thigh really pressing back. But again, don't release your tummy, keep your tummy in. So legs, really this leg pulling back, this pulling front. And here as you brush, you feel that sensation of stretching as you brush. And now from here, keep pulling your knees behind. In this moment especially, you see two very stretched legs. And here, as you collect, and back, and back, and back. So later, for example, when you achieve that feeling of those stretched legs, especially for the ladies, because you wear a skirt and legs are naked, you have to really work them. Take any part of your choreography and check how much you do it. For example, you do cha-cha-cha. From here, I just take a piece of routine, show how to make it better. Instead of going just cha-cha-cha, spiral, blah, 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 let's make those legs look more beautiful. So from here, you collected, finished hip, good. Now you have to collect, but same time, start pulling those legs apart. And feel like this a beautiful arch, big like over straight arched legs. Now from here, send this knee back. Make it feel like it's really pulling behind. Cha, one, and walk, and before you're spiraling here, push this leg as much as possible back, collect, and here for the continuous cha-cha, make sure this leg's really opening. Cha, collecting cha, 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 cha. And then you can take any step from your choreography, check how much you stretching those legs.